Hey guys, in this video I am going to be doing my exercise/yoga routine. For the 7 months that I've lived in this tiny house, I have not done any of my exercises. For one reason or another, I have just not been able to exercise. We're gonna try to get back into it today. About an hour routine, so you're gonna see a lot of speed ups and stuff like that. I actually got this routine from my naturopathic doctor. I can put her link in the description below. I want to give her credit for it because she taught me this routine. It's not a big exercise routine. It's a lot of stretches, focusing on muscles, bones, tendons. I add in a lot of different things. It's not in her, little routine that she taught me. I'll be talking a little bit throughout this and just showing you a couple of things that I do. You're also going to see me incorporate into the video how I incorporate exercising in my tiny house. I have only got this little narrow space to do my exercises within. It's gonna be a challenge. We're gonna see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do an entire yoga/exercise routine in this tiny house. What we're gonna start with is Cobra. Back down, spread your fingers, go up into a plank. Next one we're going to do is kind of same thing, called a neck extension. So we're going to keep our hands like this. Now we're going to go up into whatever this is. What we're going to do is drop on our side. And we're going to go up in a side plank. And then back into the other plank. And back down into the bridge again. You rock back and forth like this. Now we're going to be doing these circular things, so we're going to go like this. Now we're going to turn this way, and we are going to do, let's see, this and down, but then we're going to start going really, really fast. Whew. Now we're going to put our hands on our shoulders and do the same thing, but we're going to go forward and back. You're supposed to do like 50 of those, but we're gonna start out slow because I'm already freaking tired. We are going to work the sciatic nerve. It's called flossing. So we're just going to go back and forth and floss our tailbone. You wanna start off slow and then switch. Still enough room. This one's called the breath of fire. We are going to put our hands underneath our butt, extend our feet up into the air, and we're going to be doing some standing up exercises, but we're gonna do some warm-ups first. So we're just gonna do this. Now we're going to do a different kind. So I'm going to need to move this way so I don't bump the counter or the stairs. And we're going to do gonna do simple foot rolls. This is called Boy Presents the Spear to Buddha. So you want to stand like this, strong, solid, and you want to put your hands like this, and then you want to put them in towards your, like if you were a man and had an Adam's apple, and you just stay like this for like 90 seconds. That probably wasn't 90 seconds. We're just starting, so we want to go like baby steps. This one is called the Devil's Cudgel. You just want to put your arms out. See, I could almost hit this and I could almost hit my coat. I'm going to choose to do it this way so I have a little bit more room over here. And you want to just keep your arms straight as if you're holding a sword, I guess, against the backs of your arms. You want to stay strong and straight and your feet again planted into the ground. You have to be mindful of your breathing while exercising. This one, I don't know what it's called, but we go on our tiptoes and we put our hands for this one. We're going to want to stand straight, put your knee up. You're going to have your left hand in a loose fist behind here. Then you're going to take this arm and reach behind your back into like a fist like this. Your arms are flexed. Switch. Put this hand behind your back, lift this leg, and then pluck from the sea from here. You want to kind of lunge, and then you're going to, with this hand, grab him like this, and then with this hand, you're going to want to, this is the stance you'll be in. Then we're going to switch. This one's going to be a little bit difficult. You're going to want to take your left hand, put it, not in a fist, but put it lightly behind your hand. Then your legs are going to be a little bit apart. If you can't touch the floor with your hands, you might want to spread your legs a little further. So we're going to take the right hand and we're going to go down and push this hand down into the ground. Next, we're going to do sun salutations. Follow along with me. We are going to go like this. Then we're going to go down into flat back airplane pose. And then we're going to go into a low lunge. And then we're going to go into small plank. Then into child's pose. Then up into cobra. Into downward facing dog by kind of pushing ourselves up. Then we're going to put the other lunge. Then we're going to come up. Hands over heart. The forward bend stretch. Then the gorilla pose. Down into a plank. Then we're going to do what's called a chaturanga. So while we're in plank mode, we're kind of going to keep our toes on the ground and kind of go up like that to where our toes are touching. Basically, that was the exercise / yoga / Tai Chi routine that my naturopathic doctor taught me. It was kind of a challenge, and it'll start to get easier as I go along, but I'm going to actually take you through a couple of the exercises that I made up. Let's start with dumbbells. I have these dumbbells. They're 8 pounds each. I used to do lunges with them. All right, I know I don't need to lose any weight or anything, so the reason why I'm doing this is because I have an injury on my shoulder. I have to start doing exercises and stretches and stuff like that, help keep the strength in restricted arms and areas and stuff. There's really no wall to do this, so kind of push-ups against the wall, and then that helps the strength in my arms. So I don't know where else I could do it at. There's not really much wall. Woo! Feel it in my arms. I'm getting really tired because I don't exercise often. I would like to gain muscle in certain areas, and I want a little bit of a booty. What we're gonna do now is squats. I'll use these, and you're lifting all of this. So instead of not having the weights and you're simply just doing squats, you're not lifting anything. So you're just lifting your body. Oh my God, these hurt. All right, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna put these right here for now. You can go up to any one and then just do this. And you're getting a good stretch in your arms right here and your legs. How this is connected to here. So this is what keeps me stationary when I am stretching on the ladder. The next ones we're gonna do are simply these. That exercise kind of hit me right here, which made me need to do those 2 stretches so that I can kind of get that stretch out. Now I'm gonna do, I don't know what this is, but maybe it's like a fire hydrant dog something, I don't know. To stretch your lower back, put your leg like this, put your hands in between here. I think our exercising session is done for today. So guys, that was my exercising session, and I hope you guys saw that it's pretty easy to do in a tiny house. Depends on what kind of exercises you do, but I don't want to spend the money to go to a gym, so I brought my exercise equipment. I have 2 foam rolls, I have 2 sets of weights, I have bands and stuff like that. I have my yoga mat. I'm sure I could even walk up and down my stairs just for walking purposes. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe below as always, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell if you want to receive all my videos. You guys have a great day. Bye. I'm sweating already. You wanna do the yoga with me? Rocky!